UE Systems has been delivering the highest quality ultrasonic detection instruments for more than 40 years, and now they're bringing their world-class education right to your desk. Introducing UE Systems Mechanical Inspection and Lubrication Online Training Course. You will be walked through proactive and predictive maintenance concepts, the fundamentals of performing an ultrasound mechanical inspection route, how to trend and establish baselines, and bearing lubrication best practices, including how to perform ultrasound-assisted lubrication. The course is broken up into 4 modules with a quiz at the end of each one. This e-learning course will teach you how to analyze and report your findings, how to log your results into the DMS software, and the corrective actions you should take upon completion of your inspections. After completing the online course, a UE Systems certified learning coach will remotely walk the student through the practical exam, performed at their own plant. For more information, contact UE Systems, the leader in ultrasonic technology for improved plant reliability.